Hi, my name is Anthony Talley. I'm a 6'3" combo guard starting at the 2 guard for Gloucester County College in Sewell, New Jersey. I average 15 points per game and I shoot 35% from three-point land. I average 5 rebounds per game and 5 assists. My grade point average was a 3.0 this last semester. I am a mature student that understands athletics and academics go hand in hand. Prior to my JUCO year, I was enrolled in National Powerhouse Mount Zion Christian Academy in Durham, North Carolina, where I averaged 7 points and 6 assists per game. Prior to my prep year, I was enrolled in Kingsway Regional High School in Woolwich, New Jersey, where I averaged 16.5 points per game, and I led my team in every other statistical category. I look forward to hearing from you and joining your program in the '09 season. Thank you.